in today's video we're going to learn the verbs of type γ 3. γ 3 verbs. All the γ verbs are verbs in passive voice. That means that the action that comes out of the verb goes back to the subject of the verb. It literally means that things are happening to the subject of the verb. And you would have noticed it from the previous two videos that the verbs that we learned, let's say κοιμάμαι or θυμάμαι or αισθάνομαι, they are all verbs that express feelings or emotions or thoughts or moods, and it happens to us. No action is coming out actually. Κοιμάμαι means I'm sleeping, θυμάμαι means I'm remembering, φοβάμαι means I'm afraid. These were verbs of type γ 1 and γ 2. Today we're going to learn the verbs of type γ 3, and the special thing about them is that they end up with ieme. And let's see a couple of verbs of γ 3 right now, and then we're going to conjugate one, and then we're going to see examples with sentences. Αναρωτιέμαι, I am wondering or I wonder. Also, we mentioned that we don't really have a present continuous in Greek language, but when we're translating passive verbs, verbs of type γ, a lot of the times it is okay to translate in English in present continuous, because the verb itself usually has a small duration. So, αναρωτιέμαι, I wonder or I'm wondering. Βαριέμαι, I am bored. Ευχαριστιέμαι, I am enjoying or I enjoy. Κρατιέμαι, I am holding myself. Παραπονιέμαι, I complain. And χασμουριέμαι, I yawn. Λοιπόν, ας δούμε τώρα το ρήμα παραπονιέμαι. Now let's see the verb I complain. Εγώ παραπονιέμαι, I complain. Εσύ παραπονιέσαι, you complain. Αυτός παραπονιέται, he complains. Αυτή παραπονιέται, she complains. Αυτό παραπονιέται, it complains. Εμείς παραπονιόμαστε, we complain. Εσείς παραπονιέστε, you complain. You pluralize. Αυτοί παραπονιούνται, they complain, masculine. Αυτές παραπονιούνται, they complain, feminine. Αυτά παραπονιούνται, they complain, neutral. Τώρα ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα, μερικές προτάσεις. Now let's see a couple of examples, couple of sentences. Ευχαριστιέμαι τον καφέ μου. Ευχαριστιέμαι τον καφέ μου. I enjoy my coffee. Εγώ δεν πίνω καφέ προσωπικά. Ο Δημήτρης βαριέται. Dimitri is bored. Αυτή παραπονιέται σπάνια. She's complaining rarely. Αυτοί χασμουριούνται συνέχεια. They are yawning all the time or constantly. And that was the verbs of type γ 3. Αυτά ήταν τα ρήματα τύπου γ 3. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye!